Hey guys, we finally arrived in New Zealand. As you can see, the New Zealand of Kota Kinabalu with some cows. Hey guys, we finally arrived in our final destination on our Kota Kinabalu day tour. We are finally here at the Desa Dairy Farm. Let's go check some cows. The air in this place is so clean. You can smell cow poop everywhere. And look at that majestic tree. I don't know if that's an orchid, but it's beautiful like this young lady over here. The search for cow on my way to the cow barn. So this is the cow pen. Oh, look at those baby cows over there with a bunch of tourists. Let's go near them. Parang hugas. Me, wagyu. Wagyu. This one is brown. This one is black. Let's go to other places. And the cow barn is closed for today's video. So we are going to the souvenir shop and buy some ice cream. We can check those cows anyway near the entrance. Look at this pine tree for Christmas. Not bad. And just like that, we are inside the shop. Desa. The ice cream, oh. Yogurt yan eh, no? So we're gonna try some gelato. So we got our gelato. I got the passion fruit toppings. Patatas girl has her blueberry. How does it taste? Time to dig in. Hey guys, we finally arrived in New Zealand. As you can see, the New Zealand of Kota Kinabalu with some cows. Hey guys, we are still here at Desa Farm. Look at those cows in their natural habitat. We cannot go near them because there's a fence. Look at that. Those are huge cows. Those are huge Wagyu beefs. Hey guys, our tour here at Desa Farm has finally ended. It's time to go home. The Desa Farm Dairy Farm has a delicious selection of gelato. You just have to visit them when you are in Kota Kinabalu. Once again, once more, my name is Patatas Rider. Hope you like our video. And if you are new to our video, you want to see more you want to see more of our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Desa Farm.